CBSE Class 10th Result 2021 declared. Hello viewers, I am Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here's the latest update. New Delhi, the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, on Tuesday announced Class 10th Result 2021 on its official website. Of the total 20,97,128 candidates registered, 20,76,000 have qualified for higher education. This year, CBSE 10th result recorded an overall pass percentage of 99.04 percentile. Students can now check their results on CBSE 10th Results 2021 on CBSE Results website, that is cbseresults.nic.in. I repeat, cbseresults.nic.in. CBSE 10th Result 2021 can be obtained from the link provided. Candidates need to enter their roll number, school number and date of birth to check and download their result. This is to let you know the board will not release merit list for class 10th result. As per practice of the board, no merit list will be prepared by the board for class 10th 2021 result, the board said in a notice. As a special case, the board will neither declare subject wise 0.1 merit list of the students and nor issue merit certificates to the students. It added, the board is yet to release the result of 16,639 candidates as it is under process. CBSE will conduct the exam for 36,841 private and Petraker candidates between August 16 to September 15. Also, the CBSE 10th exams slated to commence on May 4 were called off due to the aggressive second wave of COVID-19 in the country. However, the class 10th result has been announced based on the objective criteria developed by the board. As the exams were cancelled, the assessment of 80 marks was done by the school. The assessment has been done based on the marks scored by the candidate in the different tests or exams conducted by the school during the year. And the marks should be consonant with the past performance of the school in class 10th board exams. Students who are aggrieved with the results would be allowed to appear for an exam to be held by the board when the situation is conducive. Any candidate who is not satisfied with the marks allocated will be given an opportunity to appear in the exam to be conducted by CBSE as when the conditions are conducive to hold the exams. In response to a petition filed in Delhi High Court which sought changes in the method of calculation of marks of class 10 students, the CBSE had said that the evaluation policy for class 10 students is prepared by a team of experts and no school will be able to do injustice with the students. The evaluation policy has been formulated under extraordinary circumstances due to COVID-19 pandemic, taking a pragmatic view. The board added, also the school management has no role to play in the evaluation of students. It has been done by the resulting committee having external members as well. Meanwhile, the board had announced class 12th results on July 30. So here it was the whole news before you related to the class 10 CBSE results declared today. For more news updates, stay connected to Such News Network. Jai Hind.